Guys, today I'm going to tell you how you can remove background from any picture that you want. You don't need to use any software. You don't need to use any PS, Photoshop or anything. Just within a minute, you can remove the background. Let's go. Go to Google and write Remove.bg. Here will be this website, Remove.bg. Open it. We can do it quickly without wasting your time. Click on upload, choose the picture, and within a minute, let's see. It's so easy, right? You don't need to learn about PS or anything. That's all. You can here have a download option, download it, or you can download HD. HD is this size, and simple download it this size. Okay, for HD you might need to sign up, but for this simple download you don't need any sign up. That's all. You can just simply download. That's finish. If you want to edit, to make some, to add some other things to your pictures, for example, here we have blur. This is the original picture and we can have the blur option. You can blur it, or even you can have some background like this kind of background you can add, and you can do to erase or restore or whatever you want. After that, when you are done, simply you can click on the download button and just here, don't share it, just click on the download image. That's all, you're done. And now you can see here, that's the picture. So easy, right? Yes, of course, it's very easy. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, because your one subscription is very important for us to grow our channel. Like our video, and don't forget, if you have any question, just write down in the comment section. I will be there 24/7 to help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.